create this line, which is 2 inches line. Look at that. 2 inches line, yeah.
Professor, back to the centerpiece, there's a radius of 5 right there at the bottom.
That radius 5 inches is this in the front. That radius is 5 inches. This radius is 1 inch. If you look on the top view on the side, it's here. That radius is 1 inch.
But at the bottom, it has 22 or 5 inches.
It's from the bottom, if you look at the bottom, it says 2 times 2.250. These, are you talking about this radius right here, right? Yes.
No, it's pointing to like the center of, in between those two radius.
That's another 5 inches radius, this arc right there. That's where, from that center, you're gonna create that 5 inches radius, which is gonna give you this guy right there. That's the radius. 5 inches. I think this is a line over here, right?
Yeah, no, it's supposed to be a radius.
It's supposed to be radius, guys, yeah, she's right.
But when I did it with the, 1.5, if I did it the center of, 1.5 inches, and I try to do the radius, it doesn't touch.
It could be the 2 endpoint or.
Maybe a 2 endpoint, okay.
Yeah. That is 1.5. This is 1 inch from the center, and that's 1.5. Yeah. This is all right there. So once you have that so this geometry, go to the front plane. In front plane, you're gonna have this in the front plane at Z0. This geometry right there. Correct?
Right.
And also the front plane, if you go and look at your Z, 3 inches positive, you'll be creating this arc also in the front plane. This arc right there. And the arc is starting angle is 50 degree, ending angle is going to be 50 plus 80, 130. That will give you this arc. And that radius is 2 inches. From the origin, from the center, that radius is 2 inches. So that's going to go also in the front. And then on the right side plane, you're going to have this arc right there. If you have F9, that arc starts here. If you look at that, starts at Y. Don't you start at Y minus 0.2? Right, guys? Make sense?
Minus,
Negative.
minus I
Yeah,
think.
it's supposed to be. So if I'll go to the right plane,
Minus.
go to the right plane, if you will create. This is gonna be minus 0.221 and actually 2 inches, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And wherever that's gonna be right here, that's gonna be right on the center. Okay, so that's that. And you're gonna draw this base at Z minus 1 inch, 6 by 6. It's not on the print. I want you guys to make it go. So you're gonna create a surface on that. 6 by 6.
Ah.
6 by 6.
That's basically, if you look at here, this is a part right there, so machine, so this base is going to be rectangle.
Làm cái đấy á.
Ok.
6 by 6.
Bao nhiêu ở dưới? Bao nhiêu ở dưới ông nói?
Tại vì cái thằng này nó 5 rồi.
So we had to make that
Cái
5.
thằng này 5 rồi. Mỗi bên chỉ có nửa bên rồi. 1.5 cũng là 2 nhưng mà nó tròn sao? 2
No, it's not supposed to be a straight line. Because the 1 inch is at the top, and I think
cái depth của nó bao nhiêu, cái base depth của nó bao nhiêu?
Hồi nãy ông nói là file by file nhưng mà thấy không đúng.
6 by 6
Ồ. Thì vậy thằng này chỉ có hai à. Thấy không? Tại sao làm lớn?
5 by 5 6 by 6.
Ồ.
Nó 6 không?
Sau này nó còn phải làm cái này cái này.
6 by 6 đúng không? 6 by 6. Mà cái depth của nó bao nhiêu?
Thì về cái hình vuông á, 6 by 6 á.
Và cái depth của nó là cái base của nó, cái base.
Ồ đúng rồi. Chắc hay là thằng này nè. Ồ không phải. Không phải thằng này đâu. Không phải. Cái thằng này rơi cái không biết. Làm như mình không đúng. Làm cái này thì dễ nè.
Arc and point.
So that is your 5 inches arc here, guys, okay? Or not a straight line.
Tức là 3 điểm, mình về 3 điểm cũng được là một điểm này.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
So then we're gonna get rid of this and this and this. Then we're gonna make a fillet over here. Not straight line, that's the arc.
Phía lên cuối cùng.
Now we're gonna make a fillet. That radius is what, 250?
Yes.
Okay.
Rồi bây giờ ra đánh ở mò ngoài.
So if you go drive and you do a smart dimension that tells you what is that arc, that's 5 inches arc right there. Okay. So do that, do this, and like I said, this is gonna be 6 by 6, and that is gonna be right at the bottom, Z minus 1 inch over here.
Z minus bao nhiêu?
Zero.
Use that surface.
1/8.
Zero.
So now doing the surfaces,
6 by 6 làm trên zero. Nhất zero.
I can start with this here. I can revolve that first. So let's start with my revolve surface. And it's going to be my partial. We'll start from here to there. And my axis is this direction. Okay.
Quay.
And if you look, the note on the top it says the draft surface height is 2 inches. So we're going to do this as your draft surface. And we're going to go 2 inches high with a draft angle of 5 degrees. So let's go to draft surface and pick a chain. Put this guy right there. Okay. And that height is 2 inches, length is 2 inches. And the draft angle is gonna be 5 degrees. Okay. So once we got this, now we're gonna use sweep on this one, sweep surface. Just let the cross contour, I can pick single, this is my cross contour. Okay. A long contour, the single, which is gonna be this guy right there. can do loft surface, pick single, this one and this one. Okay. So the top fillet radius is 100,000, the second fillet radius is 250. So we have 100,000 fillet between these, then we have 250 fillet over here. So let's do 100,000 fillet first. So we're gonna go to surface, fillet surface to surface. This is gonna be my first set, enter. And the second set is gonna be this guy, this guy, this, and this. That's my second set. So second set we have 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Hit enter the selection. And give you 25,000 fillets. So how much is we are saying here? 100,000. And make sure you set both surfaces and delete it. That's 100,000 fillet right there. We have 250 between these, so I'm going to go and select this, my first set. Enter. My second set is going to be this, 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 and that. That's my second set. And selection. Tell me why it is like that.
Because there's some,
Trim
trim
surface?
surfaces on, supposed to keep instead of delete both sides.
What happened?
Under settings, down at the bottom.
You say keep?
Yeah.
But look at the look at the fillet, it's inside.
Need to flip the normal?
We have to flip the normals, yes. Flip the normals. Look at this, this is, if you look from the front view, we have this surface, and then we have this surface right here. So we want to make this fillet right here, right guys, like this, outside?
Yes.
So look at the normal for this one has to go towards the center of the fillet always. When you create a fillet, the normal has to go towards the center of the fillet. But you're getting a fillet like this, that means this normal is outside, this is inside, and this normal is also inside there, that's why we are getting this fillet. So we have to change the normal has to be outwards. The normal should always towards the center of the arm, or to the center of the fillet, always. If you are let's say these are my two surfaces here. If I want to make this fillet, the normal for this surface is going to be towards the center of the fillet. It should be outwards. If I'm making this fillet, this surface normal towards the center of the fillet, like this has to be like this. If I'm making this fillet, the center of the circle or center of the fillet is right here. The normal of this surface should be towards the center of the fillet. If I'm making this fillet right here, because this surface, the center is right here, the normal has to be in this direction. So normal should be always towards the center of the fillet. Keep that in mind. Here my normal, the fillet is going, this fillet is going under like this, the normal is inside, so we have to change the normals, and we can do that while we are here, say normal, modify. I mean, it's better if you do it before you do the fillet, so, it will modify it, so click on this guy, look at that, these modifiers are all inside, right?
Yeah.
This is the outside, so we have to click on that, make this outwards, this outwards, this one outwards, this one outwards. This is good, this outwards is good. And this one is good. And this one outwards. There's one more. Yeah, these are all outwards, that's good. And this is also outwards, the bottom one. So let's see, is it check? And the radius is 250. So, hello, I'll just cancel it and undo it. So now, if you look, like I said, if you look at here, I want to fill it like this. So this normal has to be outwards, this normal has to be outwards, right guys? So check your normals before you attempt to create a fillet. Here we go, normal. Change, check this one here. Normal is outwards, good. Outwards, good. Outwards, good. So our normal was like this, initially like this. That was our normals. All inside. See that, guys? Look at, once you say, when you click on change normal, you bring the cursor, it tells you how your normals are. This is upwards, that's good. So this has to be outwards, click on that. There you go. This is inside, click on that, outward. Inside, outward. Inside, outwards. This is good, this is good. Inside, outward. This is good, and this is outwards. Okay, so all normals are good now. Okay, perfect. So you change the normals before you do it. Then we can go surface, and we are doing fillet. This is gonna be my first set, and enter. Second set is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And radius is 250. Trim surfaces. Delete both. Hit end of the selection. There's your fillets. That make sense, guys? Now let's say if I want to make a fillet between this and this, like this, how about my normals? It should be, yeah, this should be upwards, right? And this should be outside, right?
Right.
Let's see what we have. Say change, and check this one here. Sometimes where your cursor is, you don't see your normal. The normal appears over here on this side. Look at that, that's okay. This is right there, that's okay. Outwards, and how about this one? Where is it? Maybe it's inside. So
Right
if
there.
you don't see it, guys, right?
Right there.
So go hit Alt S. You can see that one right there, somewhere. Right there, look at that. Oh, come on. I want to see this, yeah. You see that normal?
Yeah, it's to the outside.
It is outside, right?
Yeah, it's pointing towards the outside. Right
Oh,
there.
yeah, it's
Right
outside.
there, right
That's
there.
outside. This is outside, so we are good. Let's try it, fill it here. Surface.
250 again.
Fill it. First set, enter. Second set, enter. Let's go. Undo it. Let's say if I'll change one of the normals, this one. It's outwards. It change inside, look at that, I changed it, right guys? Okay. So, let's go to fillet. First set, Make sense? So here, my normal was
To the
inside,
Yeah, so when I
towards the center of the fillet. If I want fillet like that, then both normal has to be inside. Now you can change it right here, modify, you can click on that, look at that, you can click on that, bring it outwards. And hit enter. I think I clicked the wrong one.
Yeah, you did. That's the one. No.
There you go. You do not want to trim, just say keep, you can keep it. You want to keep the first set, that's fine. You want to keep the second set, or first you don't need that, that's fine. Or you want to delete one? You have all the options right here. We're not doing a fillet on the bottom, we're gonna have a fillet, we're gonna use the flat end, or we're gonna cut it with a flat end. If you want to put a quarter-inch fillet here, we can do that, we can put a quarter-inch fillet, and we can run that on the fillet. Let's put a 250 fillet on the bottom.
You need 100 fillet in the middle too, right?
Right here?
Yeah.
Is there a fillet?
I think so.
Oh, yeah, there's 100,000 fillet. Oh, yeah, I did see it. That fillet, I will go ahead and create in my drawing. That fillet is better to create in your drawing, so when you're creating the drawing, make sure you make a fillet in between. Okay, but yeah, if you want to, we can do it over here.
Yes.
Fillet to surface to surface. This is my first set,
Oh, this one?
enter, this is my second set, enter, and that is 100,000, right? Yeah. Yeah, so you can make that fillet with your drawing, that's gonna be, then you can skip a step, you know, you don't have to do it for the surface over here. Yes, so this is what you're gonna do in this project, guys. Then we're gonna talk about toolpath. We can start with a pocket, then we can do contour, and we can do a waterline also. There's so many options on this, we can do that. Definitely pocket is gonna be our rough pocket, so we can rough it out, because our stock size is gonna be that. Oh yes, the last thing, if you look from the front view, my Z0 is gonna be the top, that's gonna be my Z0 over here. I want you guys to figure out how much you're gonna translate your Z, so this Z0 is gonna be over here. So once you draw this, you have to translate this down. And you have to figure it out, so I wanna keep my Z0 on the top of this part right here. Alright, let's do it.